let's make some adorable snowman gift cards. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I start with some tea lights. I bought them from Dollar Tree, and I have some crayons. I'm gonna melt an orange crayon, and then we're going to use that melted wax on the wick. Perfect, right? All right, then I have a black one, and I'm just gonna melt it and drip a couple drips for eyes, and then I did the same for pink. I'm gonna tell you right now, though, friends, this was such a pain in the tushy. It was not easy. It took me 4 times just to get that little one that you see down on the bottom of your screen. It was terrible. So I decided, now I'm sure somebody crafty out there is going to be able to do it way better than I did, but I chose to go with a Posca marker. These are paint pens. I did 2 little dots of black for the eyes. I painted the wick for the nose. I painted it orange, and some of them I did little circles in pink for little cheeks. Some of them I made mouths, some of them I didn't. Let me just tell you, for my sanity, this is the better option. I suppose you could even use a Sharpie if you wanted to. Would you be able to burn this tea light with the paint marker or the Sharpie? I don't know. I don't burn candles. This is just for pretty, you know, this is just for looks. Just for looks. That's it. Entertainment purposes only. I don't know that you could burn them. I don't know. Maybe you could. But if I'm not mistaken, one of them I messed up on and I wiped off the paint and it was fine. So with that being said, use at your discretion. But look how cute these are. Some of them I did super simple with just 2 little dots, and then I colored in the wick, and that was it. I mean, you could go as elaborate or as simple as you want. Adorable. And then I made these cards. One of them says, "You're my favorite flake." Another one says, things I learned from a snowman. You're going to have to pause. I have a screen that has all of the things on it. You're just going to have to see it. But anyways, I put a little dot of glue on the card. I added our snowman. I did put a little bow on one of them because I thought maybe that'd be cute. Here's another one that says, "You're my favorite flake." And then we have some goodie bags that I got from Dollar Tree. One of them has snowflakes. The other one is just clear. And you put the little card in. You could sign the back of the card, make it personal. But I just put the card in, and then I flipped it over and folded the excess and just taped it. That's it. You could use a cute little snowflake sticker if you wanted. The sky's the limit on that. You could use, like I said, a clear one. The clear one, you could actually read it much better. Could you do smaller ones and use smaller bags? Absolutely. This is just, listen, I'm going to tell you right now, this is just what I had on hand. I could have gotten other things. I just didn't want to buy more. But here's what I was talking about. You can read all the things that a snowman taught me. Stop it. Look at how cute. These would make great gifts, great teacher gifts, great gifts for office or your post service person or your trash person, whatever. You could give them to anybody. They're adorable. All right, friends. Thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.